So we are making some barrels. These are paint barrels for Trackmaster 1, not Trackmaster Revolutions. As you can see, it fits perfect for Trackmaster 1. I like the colors. The colors gives life to this. Sometimes you have boring cargo and like a plain color. Let's say I have these black oil drums or cargo or barrels. Notice the difference. Colorful white colored cargo barrels looks better in my opinion, obviously. But these ones actually are like oil barrels. They look cool too. And I've been considering making some milk cargo. I'm gonna give you a little pic here. I have this in white, but I'm printing as we speak in colors, and I think it will look good with colors. I like the colors. So, what's your opinion? But like I say, they are available on my eBay store. Link in the description for the entire store. Yeah, we have a lot of barrels. We made also this available, the walls, link in description, and we continue posting.